What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to enable comments on Instagram stories. Also, before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So Instagram recently released an update in which they added a feature that allows you to comment on other people's Instagram stories and vice versa. So this is how you enable that feature. First off, go over to your Instagram profile page and click on these three little lines in the upper right corner. Now, when you entered your settings menu, scroll down until you can see comments. So here they are. Here you can find your comment settings. So from here, go to Story Comments. Right here you have three different options regarding your story comments. So right now I have it enabled on people that you follow, but you can either choose everyone or just turn them off. So in this case I will choose from everyone and leave those settings like that. So that's how you enable Instagram story comments on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.